For just a minute so you can see the colors. So in your bag you have a white, red, green, pink, yellow, then that next green is a dark green, and then you have black, brown, blue, and orange. Those are all of the colors that you should have in your bags. And so you have more than one color. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to use these rods to add and subtract fractions. Okay, you need each color, some of each color. Not just 2 orange, 2 blue, 2 brown. You got to have all the colors that I have up there. Orange, blue, brown, black, dark green, yellow, pink, light green, red, and white. You might need one or more of each. Let's see what we're going with this. Can you see it? Okay, these rods are used to develop concepts of whole numbers, fractions, geometry, and measurement. You guys, I need you to listen. Okay, in order for us to do this, you have to listen. Okay, so we've already gone over the colors of the rods. Each rod has a square centimeter base. So if you look at the white one, that would be 1 centimeter. And so if you go all the way to the orange one, how many centimeters is that going to measure? How many centimeters should that measure?
10.
10. It should measure 10 centimeters. So in increments of 1, it's like a stair step. Alright? So if you're familiar with the colors of the rods and the measurements, then we can move on. So blue would be the equivalent of what?
9.
Brown is
8.
What's the next color? Black.
7.
Green, dark green.
6.
Yellow.
5.
Pink.
4.
Green.
3.
Red. 2. And then 1 is white. Okay, so this is what I want you to do. I want you to take one of the orange rods, and that is the equivalent of how many centimeters? 10 centimeters. And then I want you to give me 2 rods that will measure 10 centimeters. You need 2 rods, put them together, that's going to measure 10 centimeters. You have an orange. I need you to get 2 rods that's going to measure 10 centimeters. And line them up together. I've done one, but mine may not look like yours. You can lay them flat on your desk. You need a working surface. Okay. Kenneth, what colors did you use?
2 yellow.
2 yellows. And that is why? Because yellow measures what?
2 centimeters.
Yellow measures what?
5 centimeters.
Yellow measures 5 centimeters, so Kenneth chose to use 2 yellows. Jalen, which colors did you use?
Green and purple.
Green and purple. Measures 10. Alright, so I chose blue and I chose white. 1 plus 9. That's what I chose. So any combination that you could get to measure the orange, which is 10, is correct. Alright, now it says fraction concepts using length model can be developed with Cuisenaire rods or with centimeter strips. We didn't do the centimeter strips, we just using the rods, okay? So, materials, you have your rods and you have your activity sheet. So I need you to find out the answers for A. We're going to do A together.
Okay, yeah.
Okay? Letter A on your pink sheet. My sheet is gold. Letter A. Work with your partner and you all are to find the answers for this. A says find all one-color trains that are the same length as the dark green. And the first 2 are done for you. You're working off one sheet. You're working off one sheet. Okay?
Yellow and white.
Okay. What does A say to do again?
Oh, find all one-color trains that are the same length as a dark green rod.
Okay, the first one is done for you. We have the dark green, and then they gave you 2 green. So you need to fill in those next 2 blanks.
Oh, I know.
You got to use only one color that's going to measure the dark green.
So only one? 2 light greens. Have it 2 light greens.
Okay, they did 2 light green for you. The next 2 are blank. You got to fill out, you got to find 2 more colors that's going to measure.
Yellow and white, red, white and green.
I think I might find. I think I have found.
To measure the green, so.
Oh, and we found another.
Yep,
So let's
purple.
see.
Let's see, we got yellow.
You can use dark green.
What about?
And then they use one
And
color.
we got green. Yeah, we got red.
That's all the ones you
Now
got.
you gotta fill in
Dark
find
green.
another color. If you put them all together, you're gonna get green. The equivalent of green.
Alright.
Alright, let's see if you're on the right track. You got 1 green. What do they have under here? 2 greens. You gotta only use 1 color for each row.
White.
You have 2 rows this blank. What else are you gonna use? You figure it out. Alright? Okay, they did that one for you. Yeah. No, yeah, very good. Now you gotta find 1 more color though. The same color. No, you can't use, you gotta use the same color.
Same color, right?
No, not dark green. Try those. You need a new sheet. I told you to use some scratch paper. If it's in pencil, yeah. And then what else? You gotta find 1 more color. The same colors. Gotta measure that. Alright, did you put your answers in the space provided? Yes. Alright, who's having difficulties? Alright. Alright, you got that. Now you need another color.
Alright, 1/3 is red, right? 1/3. Yeah, 1/3 plus 6. 6 is.
No, look. There's 1. 1/3. No. That doesn't make it. Oh wait, no, it's red. Look. 1/3. No, what you supposed to?
Alright.
Oh no.
Wait a minute. What's the problem?
Wow.
Alright.
And 2 whites. They're 1/3.
Did you do this one? Where's your writing?
Alright,
Using the
this
rod,
is equal to
explain
1/6.
why 1/2 and 2/4.
Alright, that's 1/12 right there.
12. So why does 1/2
Alright, here's 1. That's 1/3.
equals
And 1/6.
4?
That's 12. Find something that equals 12.
Why does that work?
What fraction of the purple rod is the red rod? Purple rod. Half.
Okay, you write it in words. Is what I want you to do.
Purple rod. Doesn't say purple rod.
What do you use?
2 more
You
yellows?
can use 1.
1 more yellow.
Okay?
It's 5. It represents 5. So
5 yellows?
yeah, that's it. It's yellow. 1/3 of a strip is 12.
What is that? 1/12?
Because
12. Yeah, because you have 6 on one side, 6 on the other side.
One is 1/4 of a strip.
Alright.
What is 1/4 of a strip?
Okay.
1/4 of a strip is, I think it's purple because it's 1/4 of a strip. Because yellow, if yellow is 1/3, that means 1/4 is going to be.
Yeah, That's purple.
Right. See, because yellow is 1/3.
1/6 of the strip.
1/6 of a strip.
I think it's the red one. Or the green one.
It's either green or red. Green.
No, it's not the.
Try the green.
1 second. No, it's not the red one. It might be green.
It's green. Yeah, it's green.
We need 6 green ones.
Alright, who has a question? Yes.
Need to get some.
It's the green one. Wait, 4.
Yo, what happened to the other white goes down here?
No. We need one more. One more less than the green is a red.
What is the value of the green rod?
Just tried that one.
There's 4 pieces here.
Try yellow.
You can only use 3 red on this one and 6 white on that line.
That's 1/3.
Now, put it back together. Look.
Wait, if that's 1/3, then what's 1/2?
Let's have 5.
Yep. It's a black one.
Alright, now, pay attention.
That was the.
If the dark green is 1,
1/6. We still need to figure out which one.
what is the value of the green rod? 1/2.
Oh, yeah.
Which is 1/3 of the dark green?
Red.
Thank you. And what fraction of the dark green rod does the white rod represent?
1/6.
Oh, we're good, TJ.
That
Cut 12 centimeters. I don't know how to do this one. I don't know how to do this one.
We're done, do we? Oh, wait. Yeah, we don't do it.
Which rod represents 1/2?
Oh, these.
This is 1/2. The dark green. So which rod represents
Dark green?
1/3 of the strip?
Oh.
Black.
White. Try white.
Let me see which one's longer than the black. Brown. Try brown.
Oh, yeah, brown.
That works. Yeah.
Told you it was smart.
Now you get 1/4.
Which rod represents 1/2 of the...
Try 2 left. Just go.
I just did that, remember?
So if you put 4 reds, is that going to be the total of it? Okay. What about 1/6? That means for this total length, you got to have 6 of the same color.